Hello, my dear gardening friends. You know what? I wasn't planning to build any natural wood structures this fall. I built this one and I thought this would be the last one for this season. But the other day we had such a strong wind that it almost knocked out my old arch here. One side definitely needs to be replaced before winter, otherwise I'm going to lose that arch altogether with my climbing major wheel honeysuckle. I thought that structure will stand another year, but no, it will not. So here I am, I'm in the middle of building one side, which I will replace today. Here comes the mosquito. So here I am trying to figure out all the sticks, how they're going to go. Let me get some. Oh, we have some good working material here. I can use these connections, to make some sort of a design here. All right, let's see. Oh, this is an interesting one. I'm not sure if I can use this one. All right, let's see. I am going to match the same design with another panel to make them lookalikes. So that panel originally had a bottom design here, like a fencing here, so I will do that. But before that, you see how I matched the bend? And I'm not sure which way I'm going to put it, this way or that way. Standing up there, we have to see how it looks. But here, I want to install another panel here. Maybe I will sacrifice this big stick here. I will put it here. And then another one. This is too small. Maybe this one. Here we go. Now, I'm planning to put these sticks all the way 1 foot into the ground, so this will be almost touching the ground. And I think I will put this facing the arch, this way it will have this natural curve. I think it will look good. Now the trick is to get the old stuff out and successfully put this new stuff in. It looks good. So this will work for another maybe 2-3 years, I hope. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is standing somehow. Now the trick is to get cement out of here. Originally, I cemented all the holes there. It didn't last for many years, so I'm not going to cement the holes at all this time. But I have to get those cement blobs out of the soil. Oh my gosh, it looks so twisted. Does it look good? All right. I have some good stones, which is a waste in my garden because I don't need them. But here I can put them in, and they will actually make this area more stable. All right, now, oh my gosh, this looks so awkward. It does look awkward. Oh my gosh. It looks like a little crooked man, together with a straight line here. Plus it's not 100. Oh. All right, let's get all this out and see how we can fix it. Okay, it does look like a little dilapidated thing. Oh my gosh, it looks so awkward here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring this clematis. I have to free it from these old sticks, piece by piece. I'm going to bring him in to hide this disproportional construction and try to twine him around here. Let's see if he's going to be happy here. Not sure. So this is the story of a very crooked arch. And I will probably get used to it, this crooked stuff. And in spring, when clematis will be bigger here, it will kind of hide the crookedness of it all. Happy gardening. See you next time. Time to clean up.